if you're experiencing login failures on your Steam Deck, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your login experience. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to see if the login issue persists. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to the internet. Go to the network settings and verify that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If necessary, reconnect to your network. Step 3. Verify your Steam credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it and try logging in again. Step 4. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck software is up to date. Go to the settings menu, check for any available updates, and install them. This can fix bugs that may be causing login issues. Step 5. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can help resolve login problems. Navigate to the Steam settings, find the option to clear the cache, and confirm the action. Restart your Steam Deck and attempt to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure on your Steam Deck. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.